Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. It has been a while since I was here, but now I think I can come here and tell you something. Maybe it will help you, maybe I don't know. So if you're watching, continue watching, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I always do educational videos. I train, I teach, and yeah. So if you want to subscribe to this channel, you can subscribe. Yeah, so today I wanted to talk about Forex, and the reason why I've decided to do this video is because for me, I think Forex is spiritual. Yes, for me, I think Forex is spiritual. The reason why I think Forex is more spiritual than physical, it's because how could how can you tell that a $6 trillion industry only 3 or 4 5% rated traders succeed in this industry? What makes many people fail in this industry? I think number one reason is because many people don't understand what they are getting themselves into. And again, people like thinking that Forex is easy, we'll just come and trade and make money. But at the end of the day, people lose money. So for me, I've been 3 years in Forex, I've come to realize that if you come in with a mind of, oh, it's easy, I'll just get in, I'll just make money, it can be a bit hard for you to get it. So for me, I still believe Forex is more spiritual. It's more spiritual. Like you need an extra power to be able to code what really happens. Because have you ever found yourself, you're buying, the market sells, you sell, the market buys? Like the market is always against you. So you need to have awareness of what are you really doing in the market. So for me, I kept saying Forex is spiritual, and I wanted to challenge myself. And I did something for 21 days. And this something is I was in fasting for 21 days. And this fasting is water fast, where you don't eat. For those people who don't know about fasting, let me educate you something. Let me educate you. Fasting is not the one that you fast to lose weight. No, it's the one that you fast to seek this power. Because me, I'm a believer of God. So you seek this power and you tell God, really, what am I doing here? And you want to have an understanding. You want to have a specific knowledge. You want to have a specific breakthrough in the market. So for me, because I'm a believer, Forex is more spiritual than physical, I opted to fast for 21 days. Let me tell you guys, it was not easy. It was not easy. I don't know if I can insert my first day of fasting. I don't know if I'll get that video. If I get, well and good. If I don't get it, let's continue with this video. So when I decided to go to that fasting, I was very clear with what I wanted. First, I had my spiritual things that I wanted, but Forex was one of it. So what I wanted is, I don't want to come in this market having that veil, like you are so blinded, you don't know what to do or to expect. And that's the thing that we do, guys. We are so much blinded. Like if I check the market and you see how many people take a buy trade, if you see even the reason why they are buying, it's because they are blinded. The market is a twist. They will try to twist everything. So when I decided to fast, and God was so faithful, the second day I got a new strategy. Like I have been getting involved in the market, and I thought I had enough more information. But that moment when I entered in a trade, and the market, like the way I'm telling you, you can buy and the market sell, you can sell, the market buy. In this case, I was selling and the market just bought, and I could not understand why. Why did this market bought? So in the minute I decided to go fasting, water fast for 21 days, in my second day of fasting, I got this strategy, and it was so easy. Like I was almost doubting it. And God was telling me, this is what happens. And the strategy is called B.W.A. for those who follow me on Telegram, you already know I've been doing some setups and writing B.W.A. B.W.A actually means break, wait, and action. So I think this is my second month trying to back test, trying to give my students that strategy. And so far it is working perfect. And for me, when I got that strategy, I think God was telling me, you don't need even to fast for 21 days for me to answer you. But for me, I was so like focused. I need to hit the 21 days. But guys, in the second day, I had the strategy and it really opened my eyes. For me, I thought, okay, so this is what happens. Like the veil was opened. And you see, it was for the reason of even wanting or recognizing there's a bigger force. For me, you can do theory. I'm telling you, you can do theory on Forex. You can be so good. Your strategy can be so good. But one simple mistake, you can lose it or you can start doing mistakes. But I'm so happy I got the strategy. So what is the purpose of this video? Guys, I'm telling you, Forex is more spiritual than you may think. So don't come into the Forex market thinking that you just come in and trade and just come with an idea that this market is 6 trillion dollars, the volume that is traded every day. So how would I beat this? I'm telling you, if you are alone, you cannot beat this. So you need another extra power. So if you are a prayerful person and you have been blowing accounts, and even if you're not prayerful, start praying. Start telling God to direct you. God can even tell you, don't take that trade, because that has been my case. Sometimes I can have a very sharp conviction in my heart. Don't get involved. So for me, I am not relying on myself alone. But the good news is that you don't need to fast 21 days like I did. As long as you're under my mentorship, you don't need to fast the 21 days. If I mentor you, you're already covered. So for me, what I got from the 21 days, I got so much revelation, so much knowledge, so much understanding. So as long as you're my student, you're under my mentorship, no need to fast. But if you want to fast and seek God for advice, understanding, knowledge, and wisdom, no problem. But as long as you are under me, I can download what I got. You don't need to do it by yourself. So this video is to tell you that you need to come with a clear mind. For those who think that, oh, I have hit my end, I cannot do it, I'm just here to encourage you. Just pray about it. Don't take Forex as a normal business, because it is not. It is more spiritual. Forex is more spiritual than physical. So as I conclude, what I can tell you is that I have a new strategy. You guys, you know me with WBB strategy. Now this strategy, I'll be doing some videos. I'm challenging myself in the next 48 days. By the way, we are remaining 48 days for the year to close. So what have you done with your life? What have you done? Do you have goals that you have not achieved? Had you said you want to do Forex and you have not been doing it? Have you been in demo for 1 year and you have been reluctant of going live? What is that one thing that you would want to do by the end of this year? Remaining 48 days. So I'm challenging myself to keep posting videos. So these are my introduction video. I'll be posting so many videos here, the knowledge I got. And the only thing that you can do is to learn. If you can be able to subscribe to my mentorship, well and good. I charge $400, 40,000 for those who are in Kenya. If you cannot afford, I'm giving free knowledge here on YouTube. Always go there, watch my videos, and you can be able to follow with the rest. So there's no way you can say, oh, she's charging. I'm still giving free content, and I'll be doing it for the next 48 days. So every single day, I'll be posting more than 2 videos. So be prepared to learn. Let us end this year with a lot of energy. So guys, Forex is spiritual. Kindly go and pray a lot. Pray a lot, and seek a higher power. So if you believe in God, go and pray to that God, because God will answer you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you shortly. I'll be posting so many videos. So by the time this year ends, even if you can't afford my mentorship, if you just walk through these videos, you'll be able to understand and you'll be able to learn a lot. So guys, I love you so much. Until next time. Bye bye. Love you.